morning children. Let us continue our class by discussing the physical properties of phenol. Let us consider physical properties of phenol. If you talk about the state and smell, we can say that phenols are generally crystalline solids or liquids. Under normal conditions, phenol exists as crystalline colorless solids or liquids. But when it is exposed to air, oxidation products are formed and that will be having slightly reddish or pinkish in colors. They possess a certain color. And this phenol possesses a characteristic phenolic smell and they are dangerous in nature. That is, it can produce blisters in your hand. That is, it burns. It produces burns. Is it clear, children? Second one, let us consider boiling point. Here we can say that phenols are able to form hydrogen bond. That is, if you just consider phenol, the structure of phenol, here you can say that hydrogen bonds will be formed between two molecules of phenol. So due to the presence of this, that is polar nature of the bond, or due to the presence of hydrogen bond, they generally possesses high boiling point. In addition to this, you know that the molecular mass of phenol is also high. So the boiling point also increases as we move down the group. Third point, let us consider solubility. Solubility, they are not completely soluble in water, but still they will be soluble in water due to their ability to form hydrogen bond with water. That is because of their again high molecular mass, they are not completely soluble. Is it clear, children? That is about the general physical properties of phenol. Now let us see something about the structure. If you just consider, you already know that in case of phenol, the OH group is directly attached to sp2 hybridized carbon of benzene ring. This OH group is attached to sp2 hybridized carbon of benzene ring. And here we have to notice one thing. The CO bonds in phenol, the bond between CO and O, C and O, this bond length in phenol is slightly less than CO bond length in methanol. Why it is so? It is because of its partial double bond nature on account of conjugation with the unshared electron pairs of oxygen. Is it clear? The CO bond, this bond length is smaller in phenol compared to methanol is because of its partial double bond nature on account of conjugation of this unshared electron pairs of oxygen. Is it clear, children? In addition to this, you know that OH group is attached to sp2 hybridized carbon of benzene ring. That is why CO bonds in phenol is slightly smaller. Okay. Now let us start with the chemical properties of phenol. If you just consider the chemical properties, we can say that phenol also participate in electrophilic substitution as well as nucleophilic substitution. So first let us consider the first group, that is the reactions which involve the cleavage of OH bond. Okay, reactions which involve the cleavage of OH bond. Here first reaction let us consider with metals. Let it be with sodium. That is phenol reacts with sodium and produces sodium phenoxide, ONA, plus you will get hydrogen. Sodium reacts with phenol and produces sodium phenoxide. Or second one, let us consider the reaction with sodium hydroxide. That is phenol reacts with NaOH and it produces again sodium phenoxide, plus you will be getting water as the products. Children, in a way you can see that these are the reactions which shows the acidic nature of phenol. Or here we have to say one thing, that phenols are stronger acids compared to alcohols. Now let us see why phenols are stronger acids compared, but they are able to turn blue litmus to red. Phenols are able to turn blue litmus to red, but it is unable to react with carbonates or bicarbonates and liberate carbon dioxide. But let us see why phenols act as strong acids compared to that of alcohols. Actually, children, it is because of its resonance. Phenol shows the property of phenol as well as phenoxide ion. If you just consider phenol, OH, it undergoes ionization and you will be getting phenoxide ion, O minus plus H plus. So this both phenol as well as phenoxide ions are resonance stabilized structure. Both phenol and phenoxide ions are resonance stabilized structure. That is why they are more strongly, they are more strong acids than alcohols. Now let us see the resonating structures of both phenol as well as phenoxide ion. First, if you consider phenol, okay, let us just transfer this electron pair. When this electron pairs will come over this place between C and O, let us push this electron pair outside the ring, so that the next structure you will get it as, this becomes double bond. Here oxygen will get a positive charge, and here you will get a lone pair of electrons, and the rest portion remains the same. Okay, and you know that this way phenol is not able to stay for a long time. So this lone pair of electrons will get inside. When it gets inside, to make the structure stable, you have to put this electron outside. So again the next structure you will get it as, this portion will remain the same. Here you will get a double bond. This becomes a lone pair of electron with a negative charge. When you send this electrons are inside, this will be coming outside. So the next structure you will get again, that is double bond O plus. Here you will get double bond. This becomes double bond, and here you will get a lone pair of electrons. And finally, when this lone pair will go inside, this double bond will go to the original place, so that the final structure you will get double bond, double bond, double bond. This becomes single bond, and oxygen will attain the original state, and here this will be the original structure. Is it clear, children? So first, if you just consider, let's consider the structures as 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. Children, just observe structures second, third and fourth. Here you can see that in the ortho and para position, the electron density of the structures have increased. That is why when we study about electrophilic substitution, you can see that in case of phenol also, substitution takes place at ortho and para position. Is it clear? And it is because of this resonating structures, we can say that phenols are strongly acidic, or compared to alcohols, they are better acids. And the same way, even phenoxide ion will be showing resonating structures. You can see that if you consider this is the structure of phenoxide ion, that is 6 electrons with a negative charge. When again you